In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Ventoy from USB drive. Um, assumingly we've installed the Ventoy on to our USB and make sure your USB is plugged in onto your laptop or desktop. So now, if you want to remove it completely, we have some options or method that we can use in order to remove that. So for the first option, so when you click this PC on the left um side, left panel, left navigation bar here in File Explorer or whatever file you are using. It could be some file from Mac OS or Linux. So click this PC, and then if your USB is plugged in successfully onto your laptop or desktop, you should see here a USB drive. So for the first method, right click the USB. So show what we have. So when you click on that, right click on that, you will see a format. So this is the storage of my laptop. So assumingly this is the USB. So you'll need to click the format in order to format the USB drive into your computer. So that's it. Once the format is complete, this will erase Ventoy and all files from the USB. Now, for the method 2, to use Ventoy's built-in tool. So this is a very recommended. So if formatting doesn't work, you can use Ventoy's own tool. Go to the Ventoy. So search for Ventoy, and then make sure you download the Ventoy and open Ventoy, and then make sure you plug in your USB drive as well, and then click on the Ventoy 2 disk.exe if you're using Windows. But if you're using a Linux, you can click the Ventoy 2D disk.sh and then select your USB drive and click uninstall. And then wait for the progress or process to finish, and your USB will be restored to its original state. And that's it. So for the method 3, we can use a diskpart Windows for stubborn issues. So if the USB doesn't format properly, you can use this part. Just simply press the Windows plus R, and it will show you the run. So um type disk part and then enter, and then after that it will show you a command prompt. So type list list disk, and enter. And after that, assuming like we have a this number of in here. So if your USB is plugged in, it should show you some number here from your USB. And then after that, select disk X. So the X replace it with your disk number. And then after that, you can now type the clean, and enter, and it will automatically clean your USB drive, and your USB is now clean and usable again. And that's it. That's how you remove Ventoy from your USB, and make sure to eject the USB safely before unplugging it to avoid data corruption. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.